Not just a normal cough. Ever heard of whooping cough? Whooping cough is a contagious respiratory condition often affecting children and adults. Symptoms of whooping cough: long coughing fits, whoop sound when breathing, vomiting after coughing, night cough and exhaustion. At TheTole, we focus on body balance and respiratory comfort through acupuncture and herbal support, designed to support easier breathing, soothe the respiratory system, encourage natural recovery. Knowledge is the first step. Learn more about holistic respiratory care with TheTole.